The easiest meal prep bowl you'll ever make. Chicken and rice bowls. The ultimate I don't know what to cook. Dinner. They're fast, flexible, and perfect for cleaning out the fridge. Leftover chicken. Random veggies. Boom! Dinner. Meal prep. Make a big batch on Sunday and eat all week. Here's what you need. Chicken leftover, rotisserie, or frozen grilled. Rice instant works great. Broth. Cook your rice in it for extra flavor. Veggies, fresh or frozen. Peppers, onions, peas, mushrooms, whatever you've got. Herbs, dried basil and sage, or fresh if you prefer. Cook your rice in broth according to the package. Saute onions and peppers in a little oil until crisp tender. Add chicken, corn, peas, basil, and sage. Heat everything through for about 4 to 5 minutes. Stir in the rice, season with salt and pepper, and your bowl is ready. Scene 4 variations 40 to 55s. Make it your own. Swap the meat, steak, pork, shrimp, chorizo. Add sauces, pesto, tzatziki, chimichurri, Asian vinaigrette. Change the veggies, broccoli, avocado, bell peppers. Tains, the grain quinoa, couscous, bulgur, or cauliflower rice. Go Mediterranean, Tex Mex, or Asian with simple swaps. Outro 55 to 60s on-screen text. Easy, flexible, delicious. Chicken and rice bowls, your new go-to meal prep hero.